Now we'll start to create the dimension table. And in the real data warehouse, for sure, the dimension data dimension table is for sure is a very important one. So now we take a look at how to create that, create it. And here I already created a data table like this, and yeah. So here is what it will look like. So it has this primary key, DimDate ID, integer data type, and it has a calendar date. Calendar date will like this format, will like a date format, and calendar months. So we'll put as unvirtual type, and the calendar month number. Sometimes we need, instead of January, we should just need 1, and the calendar quarter. This is quarter 1, calendar quarter, like the text format, calendar quarter. This is calculated, this is called computed form. Calculate calendar year, and we need the physical months. So physical months, physical months because each physical year start from April 1st. Then basically the January of the calendar year is for example, the 2010 actually is physical year 29, and 2010 the 10th physical month. Physical quarter is the last physical quarter. You have these columns. So this is what the table will look like. So create, in terms of create, I already explained the data type. So for the computed one, so this one will look like this. Calendar quarter, so as because calendar CALQ is an integer, so we cast into the virtual, concatenate with a Q, and this is similar as a physical quarter. We just change the data type from integer to unvirtual, and we concatenate with a Q, then change it to like the physical quarter. So we created the table like this. Then we use a while loop to insert it. Then we give a variable called begin date. So we put its start as 2010, January 1st, and so the end date will be like 2020-0101, because in our case we don't have a lot of data, and 2020 will cover all of them. So the begin. So this is the insert the table we just created, the DimDate ID, all the columns, and so the first, so this guy, so this function, this convert, the to convert function will change, from the calendar date as the integer date. So like 2010-0101 is like this. So this function, the to convert function, will look like this. Begin date is the same, and we pick the date name part, the months, as calendar months. Calendar months, right? Data name, it just take the text part. Data part gets number part. Data part quality also quarter gets the number part. Data part the year as a calendar year is also gets the number part. So for the physical months, physical months, because there is 3 months delay, so we need to use the actually it's minus 3 months. We use the data add months minus 3, and for the physical quarter is the same also, because it is has 3 months delay, so it's plus minus 3, so basically it's minus 3. For the year is the same, but for the year is also we need to pay attention. For the year is I can explain like use because we put the first as one example, 2010 January 1st. For the physical year we put the both number, right? So 209 and 2010. So we need actually -3 months and +9. So +9 will, we cannot +9 will go to the next year. Then, then we use, we just insert this while loop into this table. We'll have finally we'll have the table like this, our own DimDate table.